da 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 da. News for blondes. Perky World News.
Oh my goodness. We've made an amazing discovery here at News for Blondes. I know it's tough, but we're going to take a day off from movies. Oh, and welcome. Turns out that there is a whole group of people out there who really have a thing for sneezing. Amazing! So, we thought we'd look at a few different sneezes to see if we could figure out where the joy is. Ooh, that was interesting. And of course, there is the build-up kind of thing that happens. Nope, I guess not. I guess I'd call that the build-up and sneak up. Have you ever heard a dainty sneeze? Cute, isn't it? Jeffrey, can you do anything for my allergies?
You might have noticed that I'm not sneezing. That's because I've had a little prick. Didn't even hurt. I mean, seriously, sometimes you've got to take a different approach to things. And for me, the prick was the way to go. Oh, get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about an allergy shot. Bonnie, when you start feeling that way, it's worth a little prick. Oh my, did I say that?
I can say that sneezing does make you feel better. Thanks for watching News for Blondes. I love ya.
Perky World News.